Hi, so I ordered an STM32411 Discovery board from compoindia. I got the delivery really fast because I'm not situated in any metro or tier 1 cities, but still I got the delivery within 4 to 5 days. And now I'm unboxing this. So let's take out the board. So the packing is quite good. They have taken care that the board must not get damaged in transportation. Because as expected, this is the discovery board from STM32 based on ARM M4 processor. Yes, I am quite satisfied with the service of compoindia. Now in India, most of the websites have this component in their out of stock tab, compoindia provides this within 4 to 5 days of your order placing. So yes, this is quite good, and thanks to compoindia.